Hello, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Zazzle here today. So as you can see, I'm already logged in, and what I'm going to do is go to Create New Product. Once I'm in this section, as you can see, there's multiple options that you can do. What I do, I just go to T-shirts. I'm going to scroll down, go to Women's, and then just click on Women's Basic T-shirt. As you can see, right now we are in the section where it actually displays the shirt. As you can see there on the side, there's different views of the shirt. There's a video, and I'm just going to click Add Image. And what I'm going to do is actually find the image that I want to upload. Make sure it looks great. And then I'm going to just upload it. As you can see, the black may not be the best option, so I'm just going to actually use the white one. And then I'm going to click Sell It. Now this is a section where you have to type up the title and the description. So for this one, since the shirt said, "Welcome, glad you are here," I'm just going to put that out. So, welcome, glad you are here. And then I'm going to click the suggested one. But if you go back, you can actually browse through the departments as well. But usually Zazzle is pretty good about giving it to you, so you just click that. And then you just want to write a quick description about the shirt. So I'll just put, this shirt is awesome to wear when you are welcoming new people to your organization. I would go a little bit longer and I would tell a better story, but this is just a quick example of what you can write. As we scroll down, it says product merchandising. This is how your product will appear in Zazzle Marketplace. And please review and pick your merchandising options carefully. So I'm just going to put all options for this one. And that should be fine. As we scroll down, we're going to go to categories. Now this is for events, so I'm just going to put occasions. And I'm just going to put, for this one, celebration. And it gets more specific. I'm going to put corporate, and that should be good. For recipient, I'm going to put for anyone, because it can be for anybody. And then as we go to the store category, it's going to be whatever category that you put in your store. For me, it was just a default word. I believe it's new products. I just left that there. And now for tags. So this is probably the most important part, as this is, I believe, how people search for your product. So I'm just going to put welcome. I'm going to put corporate, organization, volunteer. I'm going to put welcoming. And then I'm just going to leave this here for now. It says minimum at 5, but you can go up to 10. But for this example, I'm just going to leave it at 5, but I do recommend going up to 10. Additional information. So you want to be careful about which one you select. Obviously for this one, it's rated G, but if you feel that it is more PG-13, if not rated R, then I would check these boxes. Product visibility, I would put public. For show customize button, I would just put yes. And for the royalty, this is really up to you on what you want to do. Usually I just leave it at 5. And then I just see the price right here, 17. The royalty you'll make is 0.90. So, and then I just read this, and then I click the box and I press post it. It says, congratulations, you've added your product to the marketplace. So, and that's pretty much how you upload to Zazzle.